Alright guys, this is our lawnmower. Craftsman with the Briggs & Stratton Gold 675 series engine. Why am I making a video about this? Well, it was running rough, so my first thought was a spark issue. So went to Walmart and got this. Replaced the old Champion plug, which I don't like Champion plugs. Got this E3 3.10 spark plug. Also replaced the air filter because I needed it. Still ran rough. So next thing I did was change the oil. So now it's running fresh oil. Still ran rough. So had one of my brothers help me, and he noticed that the air vane spring was stretched. So went to my other brother's work last night and he gave me this spring. The tensile strength is a little too strong, so it'll be fine. And also he noticed that the governor spring is also shot, so I'm supposed to expect both springs to come in on Monday. So my improvised is I used old weed eater string, tied it up to the arm, as you can see. I started up, adjusted the arm, and when it ran smooth, just wrap it around this knob. And now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I just mowed too.